So I will explain my personal project with the name is CRTD Technologies, where main tech stack is Kubernetes stack, DevOps, and some integration of the um, data analytics. Where we have the two part of version one and version two of the CRTD Technologies websites. Where is mostly work of the connecting with the business business call company like Google, YouTube, Microsoft, and connecting with the freshers and give the freshers to opportunity to place them. Also give the career guidance opportunity and give the mentorship and we have placed the opportunity for where is I have worked as a DevOps and set the CI/CD pipelining and manage the whole project as in a GitHub which merge conflict and anything and manage all the Jenkins part and workflows. Also, I have worked as a team leader of here.